What if I told you that the sweet, juicy mango in your hand has traveled a long and incredible journey before reaching you? A journey that begins under the burning sun in vast green orchards, where farmers wake up before sunrise and spend years nurturing a single tree. But that's just the beginning. Behind every mango there's a hidden world you've probably never seen. From careful harvesting to powerful industrial machines, from traditional farming methods to modern high-tech factories, millions of mangoes go through a complex process, every single day cleaned, sorted, processed, and transformed into the products we love. But how does all of this really happen? Today we're taking you deep inside this fascinating journey, from mango farm to factory. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon. And comment below, what's your favorite type of mango? Now let's begin. Number 1. Where it all begins. The farm. The story of mango begins in tropical regions, where the climate is warm and the soil is rich with life. These mango orchards can stretch across vast lands filled with hundreds, sometimes thousands of trees. But growing a mango tree is not easy. Farmers carefully select the best varieties, using grafting techniques to ensure high-quality fruit. And then they wait. It can take years, sometimes up to 5 or even 7 years before a tree starts producing fruit. During this time farmers water the plants regularly, protect them from insects, and nourish them with fertilizers. This is not just farming, it's patience, dedication, and hard work. Number 2. Flowering. The delicate stage. When the season arrives, mango trees begin to bloom. Thousands of tiny flowers appear, covering the trees in a beautiful golden layer. But here's something surprising. Out of thousands of flowers, only a small percentage will actually turn into mangoes. Nature plays a huge role here. Strong winds, unexpected rain, or pests can destroy the flowers. That's why farmers stay alert, protecting their crops day and night. Number 3. Growth. From flower to fruit. Slowly the surviving flowers begin to transform. Tiny green mangoes start to appear. At first, they are small and hard, but over time they grow bigger, juicier, and sweeter. This stage requires extreme care. Too much water can damage the fruit. Too little can stop its growth. Farmers carefully manage irrigation, ensuring perfect balance. They also spray protective solutions to prevent diseases and insect attacks. In some farms, mangoes are even covered with protective bags, shielding them from dust, birds, and harmful chemicals. Every single mango is carefully protected like a treasure. Number 4. Harvesting. Perfect timing. After months of care, the moment finally arrives. Mangoes are ready to be harvested. But timing is everything. If picked too early, the fruit won't be sweet. If picked too late, it may spoil quickly. That's why experienced workers inspect each tree carefully. Harvesting is mostly done by hand. Workers climb trees or use special tools to gently pick the fruit. Each mango is handled with care to avoid even the smallest damage. Because even a small bruise can affect its quality. Number 5. The journey begins. Transportation. Once harvested, mangoes begin their journey. They are collected in baskets and packed into crates. Then loaded onto trucks, ready to travel from farms to factories. But this journey is delicate. Mangoes are soft and easily damaged. That's why they are packed carefully, often with cushioning. In some cases, refrigerated trucks are used to keep them fresh during long journeys. Hours later, sometimes even days, they finally arrive at the factory. Number 6. Factory. A new world. As the trucks enter the factory, everything changes. This is where nature meets technology. The process becomes faster, more precise, and highly controlled. The first step. Inspection. Workers and machines carefully examine each mango. Any damaged or low-quality fruit is removed immediately. Only the best mangoes move forward. Number 7. Cleaning. Making it safe. Next comes cleaning. Mangoes are passed through large washing systems. Powerful water jets remove dirt and dust. Rotating brushes clean every surface. Sometimes special food-safe solutions are used to eliminate bacteria and pesticides. By the end of this process, the mangoes are completely clean and ready for processing. Number 8. Cutting and peeling. Now the real transformation begins. Mangoes move to automated machines, where their skin is removed and the fruit is cut with precision. These machines work incredibly fast, processing hundreds of mangoes every minute. In some places, skilled workers still perform this task manually. Their experience ensures minimal waste and maximum quality. Number 9. Pulp extraction. The heart of the process. This is where mango turns into something new. The fruit is crushed and processed through powerful machines. Seeds are separated, fibers are removed, and what remains is smooth, thick, golden mango pulp. This pulp is the base of everything that comes next. Number 10. Making products. Now the pulp is transformed into different products. Fresh mango juice sweet mango nectar, creamy ice cream, jam, sauces, and more. Ingredients are added carefully, and everything is processed under strict quality control. Machines ensure consistency, taste, and safety. Number 11. Packaging, ready for the world. Once the products are ready, they move to the packaging section. Bottles, cans, and cartons are filled automatically, then sealed, labeled, and packed into boxes. This packaging protects the product and keeps it fresh for a long time. Number 12. Distribution, global journey. Finally, the finished products are shipped across the country and even exported worldwide. From local shops to international supermarkets, these mango products reach millions of people. And it all started from a single tree. Whoa. And that's the incredible journey of mango, from farm to factory. Next time you enjoy a glass of mango juice, remember the hard work, the technology, and the long journey behind it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite mango product? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.